All right, time to officially meet DAX. Now, DAX, otherwise known as Data Analysis Expressions, is the formula language that drives Power BI. So with DAX, you can add calculated columns and measures to your model using pretty intuitive syntax, and you can go well beyond the capabilities of those traditional A1 style grid formulas that you may be used to in Excel, using these powerful and flexible functions that are built specifically to work with relational data models like we're showing here in the AdventureWorks project. So there are two key ways to use DAX. Number one is to create calculated columns that actually live inside of your tables. And two is to create measures which are used in your visuals. So we're going to dive into each of these in turn, compare the two against each other, talk about exactly how they're operating, and then dive into a bunch of the most common and powerful DAX formulas. So a lot to cover. Let's go ahead and dive in.